Welcome to first lesson of this course. Now I am going to assume that you have no experience with this thing Joomla. So we are going to start with the basics. Let's begin. What is Joomla? Well, let's use two definitions for it. So simplest definition is Joomla is a piece of software that you can use to install and create your website, blog and so on. The complex definition is Joomla is a CMS, mean it is content management system. It's for managing the content. So using the Joomla, you can share your content with the rest of world, and it has all the tools that you can use to do the things efficiently and effortlessly. So that is Joomla basically. It is an open source software. Open source mean it is freely to download and anyone can contribute to make it better and to improve it and make latest changes in it. As I have previously told you, it is all free, so it's a big bonus. Joomla have been used in the world since a long time, and since then it's been updated continuously, and up to now it has a latest version Joomla 4.1 plus something. The platform itself has repeated many number of times. Now where to get the Joomla? Just go to the joomla.org website and go to download menu, and you will find a download link to the Joomla latest version. Just get a copy from here and save it. So what we can do by using the Joomla? As I told you earlier that it is a piece of software that you can use to create the website. So from simple website to complex website, directories or e-commerce website, blogs, you can create easily with this Joomla. It is a powerful framework available in the world. So I was saying Joomla is quite versatile. You can create any kind of website with it, and it is having a powerful framework which is based on MVC. It is popular framework. MVC mean model view controller. It is basic structure of the Joomla website, Joomla framework, which is we can say is a powerful framework in the world, and that make Joomla best CMS to be used for your websites. Either it is a simple website or it is a complex website. It is lightweight. It needs a few MBs on your server, and it has many features and many of paid and free extension to extend the websites and make it according to your personal needs and make a perfect website for you. It has been updated continuously. I have earlier stated that for now today it is running Joomla 4 point something version. So up to now I hope you have understood what is Joomla. Since you are familiar with Joomla now, let's move next and I will let you know how to install Joomla in your local computer. So in next chapter I will let you know how to install it in your computer and what software you needed to run Joomla on your local computer. Before going to live server, you can easily run all feature used in Joomla on your local computer. See you in next video.